The side mount garage door opener, SMO, from Skylink is very simple to install. Anyone can install it. The box included remote control, car home button, side mount opener, door lock, safety beam sensor, wall console button, emergency rope, mounting kit, wired holder, cable tensioner, please read and follow the manual. Check the door balance. First, we need to check the door's condition. The door must be balanced and should be able to move up and down easily by hand. Survey your garage area to see which side to install the garage door opener on. Our opener can be installed on either side of the door. Depending on the space available in your garage, please choose the appropriate side for installation. Install the coupler. Insert the coupler into opener's sharp, then tight 2 screws. Install the L bracket. Remove the screw and insert the L bracket. Mount opener on the door. Insert the opener into the door, adjust it to be vertical with the door, and tighten the screw on the L bracket with SMO. Tighten 2 screws on the coupler. Then fix the L bracket to the wall with 2 screws. Install safety beam sensor. First, determine the position to attach the safety beam sensor to the rail track. We recommend positioning it 4 to 6 inches above the floor. Then install the safety beam sensors onto the rail track. Install door lock. After determining the position to install the door lock, attach the template to the rail track and drill holes as indicated on the template. Then insert the door lock into the rail track and secure it with 2 screws. Install cable tensioner. First, determine the position for installing the cable tensioner on the rail track, about 40 centimeters from the door cable. Then insert and tighten the tensioner onto the rail track. After that, insert the roller into the door cable. Install wall console. Remove the 2 screws from the wall console, then insert the wire and tighten it to the console. Afterward, fix the wall console to the wall. Attack the emergency rope. After the attached rope, engage and disengage the opener from the door by pulling the emergency rope. If the opener is engaged, the door cannot be moved by hand, but it is easy to move the door by hand if the opener is disengaged. Run the safety beam sensor wire to the opener. Run both safety beam sensor wires to the opener. Then separate the wires and twist the two unmarked white wires together. Twist the two marked white wires together. After that, insert the wires into the safety sensor terminals on the opener. Run the wall console wire to the opener. After running the wire to the opener, separate and remove the insulation wire and then insert it into the wall console terminal on the opener. Run the door lock wire to the opener. After running the wire to the opener, insert it into the door lock terminal on the door opener. Connecting power. After connecting power, we need to check the safety beam sensor. The red and blue light indicators should light up. If the lights do not turn on, please check the connector again and align the sensor. Programming the travel limits. Press and hold the set button until the opener shows 1. Then press the up and down buttons to adjust the door to the fully closed position. Press the set button again to confirm, and the opener will show 2. After that, adjust the fully open position and press the set button to confirm the open position. The opener will show 3. Press the wall console to close the door. Once the door is fully closed, the opener will show 4. Press the wall console again to open the door. After the door is fully open, the opener will emit a beep sound to indicate the setting process is complete. Vehicle programming. In-car remote. Press the set button to enter pairing remote mode. The opener will display P. Then press the key button on the remote. The opener will emit a beep sound to indicate that the pairing process was successful. Now you can use the remote to control the door.